Now, to solve such an equation whereby we have log base x of 3 plus log base 3 of x is equal to 2.5, we are going to realize that the bases are different. So we use what we call change of base. So we are going to change the base of x to 3. So that's why I have log base 3 of 3 over log base 3 of x, then plus log base 3 of x is equal to 2.5. So you can change whatever you want. You can change even this one of 3. So you end up having 1 out of 3 log base 3 of x, then plus log base 3 of x is equal to 2.5. Now in this case we have made them similar. We have created something that is similar, and that was the main purpose. So we can go ahead and we do some letting. So we let the similar things. So let log base 3 of x equal to, for example, something like m. Now after letting, we let it for making it simpler. So we have 1 out of m plus m is equal to 2.5. Simpler in simplification. So we cross multiply throughout. We have 1 plus m square is equal to 2.5m. Now doing some rearrangement in whatever you want. So we have m square minus 2.5m, then plus 1 is equal to 0. So solving the quadratic equation in any way you want, for this case, you'll end up having m minus 2 into 2m minus 1 is equal to 0. So either m minus 2 is equal to 0. So you either equate the other one or this one, or 2m minus 1 is equal to 0. Yeah. Now our m is either 2 or our m is half. Now when we get our m, we can go ahead and get the logarithms. Yeah, as simple as this, we have managed to defeat the number like this. So if you have enjoyed, please consider subscribing. So we have, when m is equal to 2, we have log base 3 of x is equal to 2. Finally, our x becomes 3 power 2, and then x is 9. So when our m is equal to half, so our log base 3 of x will equal to half, and writing it in indice form, our x ends up being root of 3. As simple as that. If you have enjoyed, please consider subscribing and sharing it with your friend. So finally, our x is equal to 9, or x is equal to root 3. Thank you. We meet in the next.